Hey, freelancers and aspiring freelancers. Welcome back. If you're ready to take your freelancing game to the next level, you're in the right place. Today, we've got a power-packed video for you, the Freelancing Success Blueprint. In just 2 minutes, we're going to cover the essential strategies to turn your skills into a sustainable income. So, let's dive in. Identifying your niche. First things first, find your sweet spot. What sets you apart? What are you passionate about? Your niche is your secret weapon, so embrace it. Building a killer portfolio. Your portfolio is your freelancer's resume. Make it shine. Showcase your best work, highlight your skills, and let potential clients see why you're the one they've been searching for. Effective freelance platforms. Navigate the freelancing jungle with confidence. Optimize your profile on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. Craft compelling proposals that stand out and win the jobs you deserve. Setting freelance rates. Pricing is an art. Find that sweet spot where you're competitive, yet fairly compensated. Remember, you're worth it. Time management and productivity hacks. Time is money, freelancers. Learn to balance multiple projects, meet deadlines, and still have time for a life outside of work. Client communication and relationship building. Communicate like a pro. Build relationships. Happy clients mean repeat business and referrals. Scaling your freelance business. Ready to level up? Explore strategies to scale your freelancing business. Whether it's hiring help or diversifying your services, scaling is the key to long-term success. There you have it, the Freelancing Success Blueprint in 2 minutes. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss our freelancing tips.